Hi everyone, we're doing 4.1 today, and it is on page 137 of your colored math book. Alright, so first we're going to start doing some division. This chapter is about division. So look at this problem. 36 divided by 6 equals what? If you don't know this, it's okay because you really do know it. You have to think about it in a different way. Let's think about it like this. 6 times what equals 36? 6 times what equals 36? 6 times 6 equals 36. So I know 36 divided by 6 equals 6. Not as hard as you thought, huh, guys? All right, let's try another one. 42 divided by 7 equals what? You could sing your 7 song and put your fingers up until you got to 42, and I bet that would be your answer. Let's look at it this way also. 7 times what equals 42? 7 times 6 equals 42. So 42 divided by 7 equals 6. All right, let's try another one. I bet you guys are getting better at this. 72 divided by 9. 72 divided by 9 equals what? What is under that blue circle? Well, I know what I'm going to think, right, everyone? We already got the hang of that. 9 times what? 9 times what equals 72? 9 times... Oh, I bet you all said 8. I bet you said it faster than I did it this time. 9 times 8 equals 72. So 72 divided by 9 equals 8. Let's try one last one. 35 divided by 5 equals what? If you count by 5s on your fingers, 5, 10, 15, how many fingers did you put up? That will be the answer underneath there. Let's think about it this way. 5 times blank equals 35. Nice job, guys. So 5 times 7 equals 35. Is that correct? So we know that 35 divided by 5 equals 7. Nice job, guys. Let's go into our lesson now. All right. So here's the question. The bakery made 110 pumpkin muffins. They will be packed in boxes with 8 muffins in each box. Picture it in your head. How many muffins are in that box? 8. About how many boxes will there be? How many boxes will there be? So, first I'm going to use my underlining. Oops, too big. Sorry about that. Let me get a little smaller. Hopefully this one will be better. Let's do it a little bit smaller. All right. Much better. About how many boxes will there be? Well, we know how many total muffins there are, right? There's 110 pumpkin muffins, and there's 8 muffins in each box. Whoops, we underline each better. There we go. All right, so you can use multiples to estimate. Remember, they're just saying about how many. So, A multiple of a number is the product of a number and a counting number. 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on are counting numbers. Estimate 110 divided by 8. So you're going to think in your head, what number multiplied by 8 is 110? Well, you can try your 8 song, but I think your 8 song only takes you up to 80. So, here they made a little chart. List the multiples of 8 until you reach 110 or greater. So let's see with our what they did. 1, if they have one counting number, is 8. 2 times 8 would be 16. 3 times 8 is 24. 4 times 8 is 32. 5 times 8 is 40. 6 times 8 is 48. 7 times 8 is 56. 8 times 8 is 64. 9 times 8 is 72. 10 times 8 is 80. 11 times 8 is 88. 12 times 8 is 96. Are we there yet? We need to keep going, huh? We're trying to get to that 110. 13 times 8 is 104. 14 times 8 is 112. So we know that 110 would be between right here. We know 110 would be right there. So, how many boxes do they have? They had between 13 boxes and 14 boxes. Let's go to the bottom of this page, which is my next page. So here's the chart again. We're right between here with 110, correct? And let's see. So 13 times 8 is, let me get my magic tool out here, 104. 14 times 8 is 112. 110 is between, right here, between 104 and 112. So 110 divided by 8 is between 13 and 14. Are they going to have exactly 13 boxes of muffins? Are they going to have exactly 14 boxes of muffins? No. They're going to have a little more than 13 boxes of muffins, but they're going to have a little bit less than 13 boxes of muffins. 110 is closest to, what number is it closest to here? Is it closer to 104 or is it closer to 112? It's closer to 112. So 110 divided by 8 is about 14. So there will be about 14 boxes. Let's try another one. This one, what they want you to do is list the multiples. Let's click the think. We're going to estimate 196 divided by 4. What number times 4 is about 196? So what they're going to do is they want you to list the next 6 multiples. So if you sing your 6 song, we can get there. So you already have, I'm sorry, not your 6 song. If you sing your 4 song, because we're doing the multiples of 4, so you need to sing the 4 song. So 4, 8, 12, that song, the 4, Your little chant 4, 8, 12, 4, 8, 12. Keep going. And I will write them down. Are you writing them down too? Now in our song, we do know more than 40, but why I stopped at 40 was because they said list the next 6 multiples of 4. If you went further than that, it would be okay. They're not asking you to only list the 6, but I'm just going to do what the directions tell me. So 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40. Are there any of these multiples close to 196? Did I get to 196? Anywhere here did I write down anything close to it? That would be no. I did not get anywhere close to 196. My highest number I wrote down was 40. If I multiply by my multiples of 10, the product will be great. It should be greater. I don't know why they didn't have that R. Greater. Using multiples of 10 will get me to 196 faster. So, multiply 4 by multiples of 10. So here you see they're counting by tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. But here they're using the same number as 4 because you're dividing it by 4. And you're trying to get this number, you're trying to get close to that number. So, they did 10 times 4 was 40, 20 times 4 is 80, 30 times 4 is, what is 3 times 4? 12, and add that 0. 4 times 4 is 16, and add the 0. As you can see, the numbers are going up much faster than they are here. They're only going up by 4. Here they're going up much faster. So are we almost to that 196? Let's see, what's 5 times 4? 20, and add your 0. So, where's 196? Did we get to it? The quotient is between, right here, we would put 196. It is between the 40 and the 50 when you multiplied it. 50 times 4 is closest to 196. Oops, sorry. 196. So 196 is 196 divided by 4 is about 50. All right. Hope you learned a lot. See you in class. Let me know if you have any questions. Bye, guys.